Solve for x. X squared plus 4x greater than 12. How to solve for the x? Determine the topic. Inequality, a statement that one quantity is greater than or less than quantity. Symbol used in equality. A is less than B. X squared plus 4x minus 12 greater than 0. We used the factoring. First, we try to solve for the x. So our x is on the left side. So 12. We can use 6 or 2. So there's a positive. We used positive for the 6, the negative for the 2. By mentally, you can just simply positive x and the other one is negative. This is for the mental strategy only because 4x is in the middle. So we're just to put the x in a detailed manner. X minus 2 is greater than 0. Thus, x we use the greater than. So x is greater than negative x. We transpose it to the other side. The other one is positive 2. X is positive 2. X. And then, so, our value of x is negative x greater than x. And x is greater than positive 2. So this is the value of our x.